I'm Dave Beatonbow. I'm from the United States. I've been with Lugong since 2007, and now I am a senior consultant for Lugong, particularly in R&D matters, and mostly in terms of helping Lugong transition to a newer and more scientific process of product development. When I joined 15 years ago, nobody knew anything about Chinese construction equipment manufacturers. And then for a few years, the China manufacturers were the low-price entrants. People from around the world are recognizing the value that Chinese manufacturers bring to the industry. Some of the larger manufacturers in the world are now from China. It's recognized as an alternative to traditional market leaders.